Noong April 30 taong 2005 ay nagkaharap sa ibabaw ng luna sina Donnie Ahas Nietes at itong si Emer Michael. Patungo sa kanilang bakbakan ay papausbong pa lamang ang karera ni Nietes sa taong ito, at hawak ang kanyang kartada sa 12 wins at 1 loss, habang ang kalaban naman na si Emer Michael ay hawak ang kanyang 14 wins at 4 na talo. Kaya naman balikan natin ang bakbakan ng dalawang Pinoy noong Abril 30 sa taong 2005, at ito nga ay ginanap sa Mandaue City Sports and Cultural Complex, Barangay Sentro, Mandaue City.
Very impressive ang record dito si Nietes, ano?
Exactly, no? He has lost only once, and that was to Angki Angkota in Jakarta last September. All the other fights were either won or drawn. So, isa po lang ang talo ni Donnie Nietes. At si Elmer Muico naman, well, he has won in his last 4 fights. He's coming off a draw with Isidro Lorona. Kanya Muico is trying to snap that streak.
Good right there by Nietes.
May lakas ito si Nietes, ha? 9 knockouts in 12 wins.
And the last time I saw this guy, dumating dito, may dalang ahas. That's why they call him Donnie Ahas Nietes.
Talaga?
Yes, sir.
Meron ko din mataling na kaibigan na ganun din ang pangalan. Ahas.
Bakit ka natatawa, Ermi?
Bigla natawa ito si...
Like I said, mga budding comedians pala ang mga kasama ko ngayon.
I don't get the joke. I don't get the joke. Walang punchline eh.
Yung pangalan yata ang hinahanap mo, no?
Oo, dapat.
Okay, panuorin na lang natin itong laban natin.
Saka maganda ito. It might end anytime. May
Oo.
lakas itong si Nietes
Nietes.
who's connecting.
And Muico looks like he's a devil-may-care type of fighter. Lumalaban ito si Muico, no? Now, he's only lost 4 times. Si Elmer Muico. So, it looks like he's stumbled on a very bad streak lately.
Nung mapanood mo ito, Ermi, lumabang mo siya?
Yeah. He fought and it ended in a knockout. I forgot the guy's name. Alam mo naman, ang nakakayong tanda lang ng mga kalaban. Yung partner ko, ito si Dennis Principe.
Akala ko dahil...
Sa ahas? Hindi naman kumagat yung ahas.
Dahil magkababata kayo yung tabi-taman niya.
There we go. First round pa lang ito. Maganda na yung bakbakan tong dalawa.
Now, Muico's record is, can we say, deceptive because sabi nga natin, no, he hasn't won in his last 4 outings. But his overall record is 14-4-4 with 2 knockouts. Kanya hindi na masama. But he, as I said, no, this is a crossroads fight para sa kanya. No? And if he's able to beat Donnie Nietes, he's certainly going to be back on track. Importanteng laban ito para kay Muico. Oh, maganda yung tama yun. And kumapit no, si Muico. That means nasaktan yun.
Malakas yung patama.
Oo. Donnie Nietes. Power in his hands.
Yung po yung naka-dark trunks. Elmer Muico naman yung nakaputi. 10-round schedule po ito mga kaibigan. Katatapos lang ng round number 1.
Reputation of Don King.
String of... not a string of pearls, but a string of cases.
All right, Sammy, congratulations for a well-attended boxing show tonight here at the Mandaue Sports Complex.
Alright mga kaibigan, round number 2 ng laban ito ni Elmer Muico in white and Donnie Nietes.
And towards the end of the first round, kasamang Ed, ito si Muico nakatikip ng magandang suntok galing kay Nietes. And it looked like he got hurt because kumapit kagad eh. And that's an instantaneous, instinctive reaction of a fighter who's hurt.
Yun ang mga patented atake nito si Ahas. Yeah, because realaga yan. He brings it normally to the fight until Mr. Aldiger, I think, caution him. Huwag muna masyadong dadalhin ito, lalong-lalo na kung hindi mo napapakain, baka matutukayin itong mga judges dito.
Marami din tayong kilalang mga tao na ahas.
Name 2.
Name names! Ito. Nagsasaya lang po kami dito sa may Mandaue dahil natutuwa kami. It's a well-attended fight po. Nandito po yung mga elites of boxing dito sa Cebu. Punong-puno po. Itong ringside section na kung saan pinakamalaki ang binabayad nila ang mga tao nandyan ngayon.
Pero maganda rito, Ermin. According to Mr. Aldeguer, normally kasi sa ibang mga venues, ano, yung ringside, punong-puno ng mga scholar, yung mga walang bayad. Kayang magbayad, yung mga kayang magbayad, hindi nagbabayad. Pero dito daw, sabi niya,
Diba?
Karamihan nagbayad.
Aha.
oo,
At mga loyalists mga yan.
walang complimentary.
Good boxing fans now. Meanwhile, ito si Nietes has been connecting with that right uppercut. And si Muyko is not backing up. That was very
Ayun na naman.
dangerous. Yeah, another uppercut scored there by Nietes. Muyko wants to make a fight out of this.
At matapang din dito yung si Muyko.
He's gonna go down fighting. Yan ang kanyang motto sa laban na to, no? Kung matatalo siya, he'll go down fighting.
Uy, good right there by Nietes.
Solid eh.
Ano na?
I don't know how much more Muyko can take.
Puro headshots yun.
Pero alam mo, malaki si Muyko kay Nietes, ha? He's much bigger.
Yeah.
Pag tinatamaan siya rito, napupuruhan siya ni Nietes.
At para yung may puso ng dalawang ito. Hindi basta-basta umaatras. Actually, walang umaatras. Nakakatanggap sila ng suntok at nandiyan pa rin sila.
Ito si Muyko, ang kanyang favorite team song eh. Besame Muyko.
Palala ng palala. Parang ngayon. At wala pa rin yung punchline.
Uy, ayun, ang punch.
Yun, oh.
Ooh.
Uy, nakatama doon si
Gumante.
Muyko. Nakaganti, pero masyadong bisa yun, no?
Totoo ang palitan.
Nietes is
Walang
looking for a
atrasan.
knockout punch, ha? You see that wild swing ni Nietes, no? That was a potential coup de grace na hindi lang nag-landing.
Alright, folks, and round number 2, we're scheduled for 10. Vesturama in Mandaue returns shortly.
He doesn't let up. Yung pressure nandun eh.
Round number 3 of this fight between Donnie Nietes na nakaitim at si Elmer Muyko nakaputi.
So again, you can't help but notice the difference in physique. No? Malaki ito si Muyko kay Nietes.
Yeah. Although
And-
sa ating information sheet, 1 inch lang yung kanyang
Oo, parang hindi, no?
Oo.
And
Kaya naman
even in the weight, no? Parang walang masyadong diferensya.
pumasok na naman yung isang right uppercut ni Donnie Nietes. There's the hook.
Tama yung kanan na ginagamit ni Nietes dahil kalawete itong si Muyko. So, anytime na pinupukol niya yun,
Ayun na
tumatama.
naman, no?
Well, he's delivering that right through the defense ni Muyko, no? Nape-penetrate niya.
Uppercut din siya.
Tawa naman ang inatake doon ni Donnie Nietes.
Tony is initiating the good moves. Tony Nietes. Tawagin nga namin po yan. Yung mahilig sa ahas ay si Snake. No relation to Jones. Maybe somebody from Southeast Asia. The small countries yan. Ayaw pa rin. Ayaw pa rin. Alright.
Luminilaw na yata.
Aba, ako ko sa inyo. Ako, nalalabuhan ako eh. Round number 3 po ito, mga kaibigan. Mailap itong si Donnie Nietes. Kaya medyo, uyun na naman yung kanan.
Counter. Very beautiful right up.
Well, the shots of Nietes are clean.
Oo.
Kitang-kita.
Tsaka malutong eh.
Oo.
Very crisp.
Even those jabs are penetrating the defense ni Muyko. Mababa din yung kanan na kamay ni Muyko. Bumababa, oh.
And he knows how to set him up pag jab niya duminikit. And then, may pagkakataon, kukumbina siya.
Ito naman si Muyko at the moment, ano, seems baffled. Hindi niya malaman kung paano niya atakihin. Kaya mahihina yung mga suntok eh. Parang half-hearted yung kanyang suntok. Yun, diniinan niya na konti pero hindi pumasok.
I would think that with his physique, no, and his apparent advantage in terms of size and bulk, he should just push himself towards Nietes. Eh.
He still is trying hard.
Oo.
Don't worry, Kinito. Hindi umatras. Tinatanggap niya lahat ng dumarating sa kanya. But
Nietes-
he's not backing
Oo.
up.
At saka si Nietes needs a little bit of space to throw his punches. Especially yung kanyang uppercut. Dapat crowding tactics ang gamitin ni Muico.
At ilang araw lang nakakaraan, nandun naman tayo sa Lapu-Lapu City.
At pagbalik po ninyo dito sa Cebu, may malaking chance at Eric Paglaw. I hope Fistoram will be there again.
Oh, let's hope. Surama certainly going places, not only in the Philippines, but all over the world.
That's right. Nais po natin batiin ang ating mga kababayan na nanonood sa ibang bansa. Mabuhay po kayong lahat. At sinisikap po ng Pistorama na bigyan kayo ng magaganda mga laban para naman mabigyan kayo ng konting aliw sa inyong kalungkutan dyan sa homesickness sa malayong lugar.
Kapares itong napapanood nyo ngayon.
Yeah.
Maganda pong palitan itong pinapamalas ni Donnie Nietes, who is up against Muico. Elmer Muico.
Nakaitim po yung Nietes, nakaputi naman yung Muico. Parehong taga-Bacolod dito, ha? Maayong hapon sa ating mga utod sa Bacolod.
Ano yan?
I said hi. Nakita kay GM, ken kakabsat ni Ermi Rivera. Naimbag na manem. Manem ba ngayon? Manem.
Malam. Medyo pinagmamasdan mo maigit itong dalawa. Ano papansin mo, Das?
Well, very serious ito si Nietes. No? Parang naghahanap siya ng isang magandang opening to be able to throw his barrage of punches. At ito naman si Muico, parang he still can't get his offense on track. Sandali, ano yan? May warning. So far, it's been Nietes all the way.
No, yun pa.
Si Muico parang naghihintay din ng opening eh. Parang he feels that maybe he can take Nietes out with one punch. Ewan ko lang ha.
Hindi, ang tingin ko nga medyo mahina ang manuntok itong si Muico.
Well, only 2 knockouts nga in 14 wins. But
Correct.
maybe because of his advantage in size, baka feeling niya, kaya niyang patulugin si Nietes. Baka nagkakamali siya.
Meanwhile, ang mga power punches nanggagaling kay
Nietes.
Nietes.
Oo, kasi si Muico halos hindi sumusundo. He's
Dap-
looking for an opening eh.
dapat nga, mas marami siyang suntok dahil
Mas malaki siya,
Mas-
gano'n. May
oo.
advantage, parang ano. Pero,
And he knows that he's behind at this stage.
I would
Medyo
think
lamang.
so.
Lamang na lamang yung Nietes. O yun.
pero walang follow-up
No.
eh. O yun.
Medyo powder pack yung po.
Oo nga eh.
tira
Follow-up
dito,
Ayun nga, parang sabi ko nga, parang half-hearted.
Ganda job. Beautiful.
Jump pa lang yun, ha? Nangiwi na ka agad si Muico. And of round number 4 of our scheduled 10-rounder, we're going to round number 5 of the scheduled 10-rounder between Elmer Muico in white and Donnie Nietes na nakaitim na trunks ng Ala Boxing Stable. Yun po ang initials ng kanilang patron, Antonio L. Aldeguer. So far, wala pa pong knockdowns in this fight. Ayun, kina-corner na ni Nietes, si Muico.
Sinahod niya lahat nun. Ang suntok na pinakawalan.
nice combination, no? Coming from Nietes.
Malakas
Another one.
din ito si Muico, no? Dahil
Oo.
ang dami na tinangkap eh.
Parang nga sa laki niya, parang kaya niya yung suntok eh. But for how long, no?
Ha? Very consistent itong si
Oh,
Nietes.
ayan,
Tignan mo
oh.
yun.
Nayayanig yung ulo ni Muico eh.
Snap the head.
Ano nga, no? Si Nietes. Maganda ng mga matama, oh.
And it's exacting its toll na itong mga atake.
Nako.
Matitindi na po.
Nako.
Maganda. Left, right.
Oh. Nako.
Isang kanan ulit.
Pero kung titignan mo yung yung mukha ni Moigo parang pinalalabas na walang ano sa kanya, walang epekto sa kanya. I don't know.
Ang dami ng tama,
Oh, yung referee medyo tinitignan na niya kung panahon ng medyo mag-intervene. But so far, okay pa naman ng tayo nitong si Moico.
Okay naman, oo.
Maganda round nito. Magandang round ni...
Oh, this is a clear-cut round.
Oo, may Nietes.
Not unless Moico does something extraordinary, no?
Miraculous.
Before this round ends. Very sharp and crisp punching shown here by Donnie Nietes.
And since the start of this fight, the opening bell pa lang, medyo he has gained control and continues to lord over. Despite the gallant stand being put up by Moico, kumakounter din po hanggat pa paano. Counter din ang pumapasok po nitsa-nitsa. At medyo natitigilan naman ngayon itong si Nietes.
Well, ito po si Donnie Nietes, isa pa lang ang talo sa kanyang career. At nangyari pa yun sa Jakarta, Indonesia at the hands of Angki Angkota last year where he had 3 fights in Jakarta. No? At doon sa kanyang pagkatalo, split draw.
Split goal.
Split decision pala.
Split decision, maski na. Medyo may
Close fight
dyan.
yun.
Oo.
Dumadayo ka kasi.
The sweet science.
Boxing. Oh. Yung dukana ng lakas doon. Pero ito si
Trapped along
Moico.
the ropes, si Moico. Pero hindi bumagsak doon,
Alright, round number 6 po ito mga kaibigan. Ang lamang ito ni Moico in white at ni Nietes in the dark trunks.
And Nietes is in firm control of this fight. So far, wala pang nagagawa dito si
Moico.
Moico na significant. Or that can give us an indication that the tide is going to turn.
Well, the significant thing that he has shown thus far is that medyo sumasayaw-sayaw at saka umatake.
Oy, tinatamaan pa rin.
Kanan na naman.
One thing he has shown is an ability to take a punch. Huh?
Oo. Several punches.
Which makes me wonder nga, baka nga kaya niya suntok ni Nietes Gawa ng parang mas malaki siya.
But nung previous round, it looked like he was a candidate for the canvas. Pero he hung on.
Oo.
Ang daming tama na tinanggap niya. Sabi nga ni Herman, tinitignan mabuti ni referee Tony Quezons kung nararapat bang itigil yung laban. Pero nandun pa siya eh. Paano bang, sabi nga natin, yung mukha niya, parang hindi naman siya mukhanong nasasaktan.
And this is a good workout para kay Nietes.
Yeah.
He's being extended to the limit. Si Moico is a tough nut to crack.
Oh, medyo maganda ang rally nito si Moico. Ang daming gustong gawin ni Nietes na-frustrate yan. Medyo nag-i-initiate din mga magagandang counter moves na nito si Moico.
That's a good point that you raised, kasamang Ermi, no? Yung frustration na factor. Ito si Nietes, he has hit everything. And he has connected with some solid blows. Pero si Moico, nandun pa rin hindi bumapagsak. Lumalaban pa nga pa rin.
I think ang threat ng manager niya, hindi kita babayaran pag so, andyan. Paano mo?
Well, of course, both these fighters want to give our Fistorama viewers a good show.
That they are doing.
Oo.
Nabanggit po natin, taga-Bacolod pareho ito. Yung promoter dito ngayon, taga-Bacolod din, si Tony Aldeguer. Although, he has called Cebu his home for the past 30-something years.
Oops, ingat ka lang. Doon sa ilang taon na dito siya dito sa Cebu.
Ano?
Bira lang yan. Joke.
Hindi, inaamin naman niya.
Oo. And he's very proud.
Yeah.
The fact that he has his business roots dito sa
That's right.
Cebu. Very to sa Buana, no?
Alright mga kaibigan, balik po tayo rito sa Mandaue Sports Complex sa Mandaue City in Cebu. At labanan ni Donnie Nietes, yung naka-itim, at si Elmer Muico na nakaputi. So far, no knockdowns in this fight. Pero it looks like Yetes, yung nakaitim, has been carrying the fight. At he has landed more punches and the more solid ones too. Leading off with his left. Itong si Muico ang kaliwete pero mukhang siya ang mas nahihirapan sa estilo ni Yetes.
Well, kasi bago siya makasuntok nasusuntok
Tinamaan na siya.
Yes, oh. And that's the problem that Muico has. That he just can't get his offense on track because nandun si Nietes all the time putting pressure, throwing punches, and keeping him on the defensive.
Still, he remains obstinate. Baka sakali, one of these
Oo.
days, makakakanto raw ako ng solid. And that is only his chance, the way I look at it.
Oh, I think so too. Nga, nabanggit ko a few rounds ago na parang naghihintay na lang ito si Muico for isang malaking pagkakataon for him to throw a big punch. But looking at his record, only 2 knockouts in 14 wins. Kaya hindi darating yun.
Nahihirapan.
So, nahihirapan siya to score.
At sa nakikita natin sa panununtok nila, mukhang mas malakas talaga yung Yetes kaysa sa kanya. Mas malakas manuntok. Ano, nagdulas yun.
Nagdulas. But Nietes is right there on top of the situation.
Malalakas yung mga patama na yun ni Donnie Yetes.
At saka yung sa katawan medyo iniinda na ni Muico.
Nawala yung nawala yung mga
Ganda naman ang
uppercut ni
kanan.
Nietes.
Beautiful right hand punch. Napamalas po ni Tony Nietes with the light of the splendid crowd out here gathered dito po sa may Mandawi Sports Complex saan marami na po kami na-cover po sa bandang Mandawi. At ito, isa sa mga magagandang reception na naman na tatanaw namin dito. Paring Ed will never forget this evening siguro dahil lalong-lalo na yung mga round girls din, ano?
Yung boxing yung pinanonood ko, I mean,
Anyway.
Ay, wala ako dyan.
nandito ko eh. Masaya po ang aming pagbisita dito sa lalawigan ng Cebu. As usual, we've been welcomed very warmly by the people of Cebu. Sama tayo magpunta, no, ha? Sa Lapu-Lapu, sa Mandawi, sa Cebu City. Alright, mga kaibigan, we'd like to remind you, of course, that Festorama is brought to you by Cantada Sports and our friends from the Philippine Charity Sweepstakes Office, Tanduay Rom, Samsung, and Mapicon. Po ang ating mga sponsors, mga sumusuporta po sa ating palatuntunan. Kaya naihahatid natin sa inyo every Sunday on RPN 9 at 4 o'clock in the afternoon. And check your listings dun po sa ating mga kababayan in the different countries all over the world where lumalabas mo itong Festorama sa North America, sa Europe, sa Middle East, sa Australia, New Zealand. Ang dami nating mga bansa na napasok na at marami nagpapasalamat nga, no? At napapanood ng Festorama doon. Kami rin naman nagpapasalamat sa inyong lahat sa inyong patuloy na pagsubaybay sa palatuntunan ito.
Saan man kayo naroroon.
Correct. Na tinatagpo ni Ginoong Tabi Tabanyag at ang yumaong Joe Cantada. Ibigyan natin pareho yan. Alright, ito po ang labanan ni Donnie Nietes in black and Elmer Muico in the white trunks. We are scheduled for 10. Nasa round 8 po tayo. So far, sa nakikita natin, mukhang nakalalamang itong si Donnie Nietes. Aba, nag-split. Dulas na, dulas.
Dulas na yan.
May katangyang valid dancer din ito si...
Pagka-Marishniko.
Baka matalo ito ng split decision. Ayan. Maasinta na naman si Tony. Tama yan, ha? Tatlo.
Doon, brief exchange. Pero Nietes still coming out of it on the more advantageous side.
Alam mo, naniniwala ako na hindi pa rin siguro magkakaroon
Oh,
dito.
Rogi na.
Rogi.
Pero may nagulas na.
Oo,
Nagulas
oo.
na.
Pero may tama eh.
Oo, tumama
Meron,
nga.
nasabay
Tama
lang.
yun.
Nasabay
Alright.
lang.
Nasabay.
Nasabay.
So, hindi dumikit sa luna yung gloves niya?
Hindi,
So, it's
hindi.
not-
Hindi.
Alright, good.
Lost his balance.
Oo.
Back
Akala
to
ko
the
nga,
action.
staggered na eh.
Lagay ko, hindi. Kanina pa siya tinatamaan ng gano'n eh.
Tama, oo. Tough boy ito si
Muiko.
Elmer Muico.
Eh, tough guy naman itong si Ahas. Ando na naman tayo. I-explain ko na nga ito. Itong ahas is the favorite animal ni Donnie Nietes ba? And everywhere he goes, may nakapulupot na ahas
Ganun ba?
na pet niya. So, that's it. Ha?
Alaga niya.
Yan na. Wala na akong idadagdag dyan.
Okay. Buti naman.
Oo, dahil naguguluhan ako pag dinadagdagan mo eh.
Alright. Napakaganda naman ng bitana naman ni Donnie. Hindi ko kombinasyon din yung anim. And thus far, he is in full control of this fight.
At saka, he's looking none the worse for wear.
Aha.
Mukhang presko pa ito si Donnie Nietes eh.
Yes, sir.
Hindi na babago ang kanyang work rate, no? Ganun pa rin.
Oo.
Yung intensity level niya, tsaka yung punches that he...
Action from the previous round, round number 8. Yan po si Muico na nakaputi and si Donnie Nietes. Yun yung nag-slip. Medyo nadulas doon si Elmer Muico. Round number 9, ang ating scheduled 10-rounder. Nietes in the dark trunks, Muico in white. Pisto naman po, narito sa Mandaue City. Ang inyong mga lingkod, Ed Pixon po lamang, kasama si Kinito Henson at si Hermie Rivera. Of course, ang mga happy to biyahe namin, Boy Cantada and Gerard Cantada, and the full complement of Cantada Sports.
Ano kaya nangyayari dito kay Nietes? Nag-aabang na lang ng suntok na mula nung nag-umpisa ng round na ito. Oh, supply pa ang counter. Sumasayaw naman itong si
Muico.
Muico.
And that's
ngayon.
not going to get him points.
Yes. Well, Fred Astaire can give him medal, siguro.
Looks
At
like
sa-
Muico's just going to try to survive this fight.
Saka-
Gumagalaw siya.
He will always wind up a good DI.
Baka.
Itong si Muico. He has to punch. Sumablay naman. Sumuntok nga.
Hindi naman tumama.
Ah. But still, it is a very entertaining fight.
Well, you wonder also kung si Nietes talagang may knockout power in his punches because well, his record indicates 9 knockouts in 12 wins. But here in this fight, hindi pa niya napapatumba si Muico.
Ilang beses nang yan na yan eh. Pero hindi tumutuloy.
So it's possible also the reason is Muico seems to be bigger than him. So parang nakakayanan ni Muico yung mga suntok ni Don. Maybe if Nietes were to fight someone of a similar weight and build, doon niya mapapakita ang kanyang power.
Or, etong si Muico talagang may katibayan din. At
Yes,
tinatamaan siya sa mga lugar na hindi masyadong critical. True, he was charred on several occasions, pero nandiyan pa rin eh. As a matter of fact, nagkikipagpalitan.
Sumusuntok pa.
In this penultimate round, sumusuntok. Oh, tumatanggap.
Kombinasyon na naman yun, no? Pamukha.
Well, in Muico's 4 losses in his career, only 1 came by stoppage. That was to Jojo Bardon last April, in fact, in Waki Salute promotion sa Lapu-Lapu City. That's the only fight that Muico has lost by knockout.
I see. So nakatikim na rin, ha?
Oo, pero isa lang. Out of a total of 22 fights that he has figured in.
And Hindi ka naman umiinom. Alright, last round of this fight between Donnie Nietes in black and Elmer Muico in white. Uy,
Yun, kanina ko pa
Dulas, eh.
napupuna yun dulas noon.
at saka si Muico ang madalas madulas, ha? Si Nietes, hindi nga ano eh.
Mahirap i-explica din yun kung bakit isa lang ang tumutulas samantalang si Nietes ay
Mas magalaw si Muigo actually, no?
Yeah.
If you noticed in the previous round, sayo siya ulit sayaw. Napapwede na, baka may ambition nito maging DI. Yan ang dahilan. But ito si Nietes has been all business from the start.
and both of them are all business na dito sa 10-rounder po ito. And bigger things will come the way kung sino mananalo dito. Maybe a foreign assignment.
So to Muigo's ready, talagang he showed that he can take the punches of Nietes. Never went down in this fight. And he's on the way to lose this by a unanimous decision for sure.
And Nietes himself proved tonight that he can outpunch itong si Muigo. So leading, going into the final seconds of the round, lamang po. Sa tingin po namin, itong si Donnie Nietes. Ito naman.
Muigo,
Wow, nakita mo yun.
showing some offense.
Gloria.
Oh.
Ganda.
Well, ito, kulang natin dyan, baka mukhang too little, too
Oo.
late.
Aha.
Ba't hindi niya pinakita yun naman ito
Kanina.
previous round?
Kanina.
Oo.
Ngayon lang siya nag-warm up eh.
Biglang nabuhayan ito si Muigo, but
Ito na si
Nietes is saying, sandali, I want to end this with a flourish.
Yes, sir.
And with the bang.
Oo. Stalker na naman ito si Nietes. Muigo's trying to fight back. Pero wala, talagang Nietes is just clearly a superior fighter.
He's outpunching him.
Dalawang beses na lumaban sa abroad si Muigo, no? Both times in Thailand. While si Nietes naman 3 times abroad
Indonesia.
in Indonesia.
Losing only once.
Yes.
Winning his last 2 assignments though.
Ito naman, yung kaliwa naman ni Nietes.
Parang yung right uppercut ni Nietes nawala no, in the later rounds.
So, nung maaga, pinakakawalan niya.
Very precise yung punch na yun.
Marami rin din siya
Para style,
natutunan dito sa laban na ito. Ito si Nietes. Dahil medyo unorthodox nga lang itong si Muigo. But he put up a good fight din. Very good. Although, when you look at it, medyo nasa receiving end siya.
Mukhang ready na si Rico Navarro, our ring announcer.
Ladies and gentlemen, after 10 rounds of boxing, we're going to the scorecards of our judges for this decision, and I'd like to read the scorecards. Judge Nonoy Pontria scores about 96-94. Judge Edwin Barrientos scores about 97-93. And Judge Joscoro Ramirez scores about 99-94. All for the winner by unanimous decision, Donnie Nietes.
Well,
Donnie Nietes.
no surprises there.
Oo.
Except, of
clear cut.
course, that one referee scored at 96-94.
Medyo close yun,
Close
only
yun.
2-point difference.
Wow.
And the other referee had it 97-93. That's a 4-point difference.